Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making something super delicious and one of my absolute favorites, homemade chicken shawarma. Trust me, it's juicy, flavorful, and way better than anything you'll get at a restaurant. Plus, it's totally hygienic and made right at home. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using boneless chicken breast, and I'm going to chop it into small pieces. Now to make it tender and flavorful, I'm adding a splash of lime juice, some yogurt, garlic paste, ginger paste, and a mix of beautiful spices, coriander, cumin, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, and of course, some Kashmiri red chili powder for that rich color. And for a little twist, I'm adding a spoon of tomato ketchup. It adds a nice tang and balance to the spice. Now, I'll mix everything really well so every piece of chicken gets coated perfectly. Finally, I'll add a little bit of oil, mix again, and let it marinate for about 2 hours. This step makes the chicken so juicy and full of flavor. While the chicken is marinating, let's make our flatbread soft, chewy, and perfect for shawarma rolls. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Then, I'm adding 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, and about 300 milliliters of warm water. You can use a stand mixer to knead the dough, or if you're doing it by hand, you'll need about 15 minutes of kneading for that perfect texture. Once the dough starts coming together, I'll add half a teaspoon of salt and knead for another 5 minutes. Now the dough is smooth and elastic. Time to cover it and let it rest for about 2 hours so it can rise nicely. Next, let's make a simple, fresh salad. I'm chopping some cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, lettuce, and a few green chilies. Mix everything together and keep it aside. This is going to add that crunchy freshness inside our shawarma. Now for the magic sauce. This takes the shawarma to another level. I am going to blend some onions, green chilies, and fresh cilantro. Blend it once, then add yogurt and blend again until it's smooth and creamy. And there you go, our delicious shawarma sauce is ready. It's been 2 hours, now we will prepare the dough. We will take the dough out from the bowl and cut it into small chunks, and then we will take 1 chunk to make small balls. Once this is done, we will use a wet towel to cover the small dough balls and let it rest for another 15 minutes. Resting is very important because it helps the dough convert into a flatbread. Now the dough is resting, we will prepare the chicken. In a hot pot, I'm adding the marinated chicken and cooking it for about 30 minutes, or until all the water dries up and the chicken becomes beautifully tender and slightly golden. And just look at that, it smells amazing already. Now it's time to make the flatbread. I am going to use each small ball to make 1 flatbread. Place the flatbread on a hot pan and cook from both sides until you see those nice golden brown spots. And that's it, soft, fluffy flatbreads are ready. Now the best part, assembling our shawarma. Take a warm flatbread, add some fresh salad, drizzle the green shawarma sauce, then pile on that juicy chicken. Top it off with a swirl of mayonnaise, roll it up tightly. And there you have it. Your homemade chicken shawarma is ready to serve. Just look at that juicy chicken, creamy sauce, and fresh veggies all wrapped in soft bread. It's perfection in every bite. Trust me, this shawarma tastes better than any takeout. It's flavorful, hygienic, and made with love at home. If you try this recipe, don't forget to let me know in the comments how it turned out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. Till then, happy cooking and see you in the next one.